So let's make a review about the CNNs or the convolutional neural network. This is a part 1. This is about the filters, patterns, and feature maps. So, why linear layers are not enough for images? Previously, models used linear, fully connected layers, but linear layers treat each pixel independently. They don't understand that nearby pixels from shapes or patterns. So, the model cannot naturally detect edges, textures, shapes, parts of objects like wings, antennae, petals, etc. So, uh, images need a model that understands spatial relationships. Okay, so the solution is convolutional neural networks. What's the idea behind CNNs or convolutional neural networks? CNNs are inspired by the human visual cortex, where neurons respond to specific visual patterns. Instead of analyzing pixels individually, CNNs scan images for patterns, detect edges and textures, combine features into object recognition. CNNs use something called filters. What is a filter? A filter, or a kernel, is a small grid of numbers, commonly 3 by 3. This filter slides across the images, or the image, multiplies its values with the pixel values, adds results together, produce a new pixel value. This is called convolution. So, uh, to sum up, um, what makes a convolution is it has a filter, slides across the images, multiply its pixel values, add results together, and produces a new pixel value. What does convolutional do? Convolution allows the model to detect edges, highlight textures, capture patterns, extract useful visual features. Instead of raw pixels, the network sees features. Edge detection example is filters can detect edges. A vertical edge filter detects contrast between left and right sides. So the strong output when one side is dark, the other side is bright. Horizontal edge filter is the contrast between top and bottom. This filters highlights boundaries and shapes. Web filter helps classification. Humans can recognize objects pixel by pixel. We look at wing shape, color patterns, texture, structure. CNS do the same. Filters detect important visual cues. Layer later layers uh, combine them to recognize objects. So learning filters automatically. We could design filters manually, but impossible for every object type. Inefficient. Instead, CNN learns filter automatically during training. The network discovers which visual patterns matter. Convolutional layers in PyTorch. In PyTorch, convolution is implemented using NN that's uh, conv2d. It is similar that NN that linear but for images. Important conv2d parameters in channels, number of images channels. So examples is grayscale image 1 channel, RGB image is 3 channels. Out channels is number of filters. More filters, more detected features. Example, 32 filters represent 32 feature maps. If the out channels is called the number of filters, kernel size is the size of the filter. Common choice is 3 by 3, captures local pixel patterns. What is stride? Stride how far filter moves at each step. So stride, like example, equal to 1, checks every pixel. Stride equal to 2, it skips pixels. Higher stride, faster, but less detail. Next is padding. Adds border values, usual zeros. Why needed? Without padding, image shrinks after convolution. Padding allows filters to operate at edges. So the rule is padding is equivalent kernel. So if the kernel is 3, padding is 1. Kernel 5, padding is 2. So feature maps. After convolution, after each filter produces a new image capture called a feature map. Each texture map highlights edges, textures, patterns. More filters, richer features. So, CNN Vision pipeline is from image to convolution filters, from convolution filters to feature maps, from feature maps to more layer combined features. Um, Classifier predicts objects. So, the key takeaway here is CNS understands spatial patterns, filters scan images for features, convolution extracts patterns, filters learn automatically, feature maps sort detected patterns, place linear for images. So, to summarize, think of CNN as linear literacy numbers, but CNN see patterns.